SMCI stock is down 13.47% in the pre-market session of today, the 16th of December 2024. And we can see here that it printed an intraday low of $30 at some point. This is its 4-hour chart. So last week it printed a three straight session of losses from Wednesday. That was Wednesday to Friday. If it continues today, that will be make it a fourth. And you may have most certainly heard, or rather, you may have heard that the company has tapped Evercore to raise equity and debt to shore up its finances, and also you know very well that it has been given the permission to delay the filing of its financial report up till the 25th of February of next year, 2024. So, but the news that it's trying to raise to shore up its finances is it's not exactly that. It's not exactly confirmed. It seems, but what we know for sure is that technically, as of Friday, the night, the 13th of December, the forecast, the projection of its 10 and 21 period moving average is that we're going to see a contraction. We're going to see a contraction. I think maybe a contraction that which is as a result of the strength that it has run up, of beginning from Monday the 18th of November, and that peaked on Monday the 9th, exactly 1 week ago. So we are expected to see a contraction. And after that contraction, who knows what's going to happen next? But if this this weakness we are looking at right now, which is around 13%, is in play, then we are not. This may be negated. This contraction may be negated. We may be facing something entirely different. So it has a downward projection here. This is also still in play, 25.33. But right now it is not there. It's at 31.55. 31.55. Let's see where that is. 31.55. It's definitely not. Yes, it could still be. It could still. This contraction that is projected could still be relevant. It could still be relevant. 31.55 is somewhere around here. 31.55 is somewhere around here. So I can imagine that the extrapolation for its temporary moving average will definitely change, and this contraction may become negated. But in any case, we're not seeing we're not seeing rebound projections. Largely because the market hasn't opened yet. The algos in this daily chart hasn't recalculated anything yet. But we can go and have a look at its 4-hour chart. We might see something there. We might see something interesting there. Let's have a look and see. So yes, here we can see it just gives you an inkling to what's going to happen. It just tells you a bit more. This is the closest, rather, to what you have on the daily chart. Obviously, you can see we have a downward projection of here. Yes, pretty quite similar as that. We have 25.96. But it's currently at 31.55. We have down here 20.80. That will be really, really ambitious. That will be really harsh if it gets all the way down there. Yeah, we did indeed see it print all the way down to 17.55 as of mid-November. But all in all, we still have not very long ago we had upper projections of 56.79. We had 65.27. We had 69.67. Some of these are currently probably negated now. They are probably not in play at the moment. Probably not in play at the moment, given what's going on right now. But if anything, if you're bold enough, you can based on what's going on right now on this 4-hour chart, you can say that there might be a good chance that it can rebound to let's get that 39.07, which is this rejection, which is also where if Fibonacci projection is 39.58. I think 39.58. That's 9.58, and then you go all the way down to where it is right now, which is 31.85, 31.85. 34.85, and you have 3. We're trying to get the difference between these, and we're going to have 7.53, 7.33, 7.33 multiplied by, which is the difference between the high and the low, some 7.33. Let's get that. 7.33 multiplied by something modest, something really modest. Let's try 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Let's try that. Calculator's not loading up. Let's see. Sorry, you're not going to see you're not going to see my calculator. Okay, let's. I think I have two calculators here now. Okay, let me remove one. Okay, so 1.618 multiplied by 7.33. We have 11.8599. So if you add that to the current price of 31.85, you have 43.7. So this is a possible rebound projection. 43.7. Where do we have it? 43.7 will be, yeah, somewhere above here. So that will be somewhere. For 3.7 will be somewhere around here. Yeah, this is where it's going to be for the 3.7. So if we go back to its daily chart for the 3.7, let's go back to the daily chart and see where for the 3.7 lies, and what it tells us about how it helps to shape the trend, that the short-term trend that it has printed. So for the 3.7 will be somewhere here. Okay, for the 3.7, oh, unfortunately it's not for the 3.7. Okay, so it's just going to be somewhere where it got this rejection. It got this rejection at 44.44. So if it rebounds to such a level, there's a good chance that it might continue to even extend further. But if it does pivot to such a level, or rebound to such a level for 3.7, and it does to some extent indicate that at least the lows are getting higher. You can see here 1, 2, 3. So 3 lows, 3 high lows. Three ascending lows. Have been printed so far. That will be since yeah. As a matter of fact, four. As a matter of fact, since the fifth, the since Thursday, since Wednesday. No, since Thursday the 15th of since Friday the 15th of November. That will be four ascending lows. So that can be an indication. That can be a positive. And if that happens, we will see a change of projections based on the algos we're using. So let's quickly have a look at its 3-hour chart and see what we have here. There are no upper projections, still the same downward projections we have on the 4-hour chart. 26.03. We have 20.74, and all the way down here at 17.52. Yeah, not very long ago as well, we had those projections. 53.89 was the highest. Okay, let's have a look at its 2-hour chart and see what we have. Yes, downward projections as well. Downward projections, 25.96 as well. Very much like what we saw on the 4-hour chart and the 3-hour chart, 20.76. Yeah, some consistency in the hourly charts. We have seen some consistency here in terms of projections. And here we have on the 1-hour chart, we have something in play, and we have an upper projection in play here. We have 34.61 or 34.61. Okay, 34.61. It's also just slightly below where the 21 period moving average is. 34.61, which is what we have here. 34.33, 34.43. Yeah, there might be upper projections, but I'm not brave enough to try to adjust my chart to see what's in play up there. This is its 45-minute chart. There isn't any projection here, unlike what we have on a 1 hour chart. But what we know surely is that there is a pivot here. It may have printed a low, but we are not sure. Okay, this is a 45-minute chart. Sorry, this is a 45-minute chart, and let's have a look at its 30-minute chart and see. Nothing, no upper projection. Let's look at the 15-minute chart and see. Yeah, okay. This is the 15-minute. It's like I said earlier, and it has printed, it has pivoted, and on this 15-minute chart, it's right on its 15-period moving average. There are no upper projections at the moment. The ones that are there have been negated. We have 33.51 not currently in play, but it does not mean that it's not going to print through that. 10-minute chart. Let's have a look and see. 10-minute chart. Let's see what we have here. We're always seen as a pivot to the upside, broken through its 10 and 21 period moving averages. The next challenge is that a 100 period moving average? Is that the 40 period moving average? That's the next resistance it's going to face on its 10-minute moving average, so on its 10-minute chart. So let's see. Let's go all the way. Let's have a look at its 1 minute. It's not as if it's going to be of any use to you by the time you're watching this. So we have 32.23. 32.23 is Fibonacci projection there, and we are seeing a contraction that is being forecasted or being extrapolated by its 10 and 21 period moving averages. So maybe it's just going to contract this retracement, and then maybe something else might happen. So back to its 4 hour chart on Think and Swim. It's currently trading right outside of its price channel, so there's a good chance that it might pull back. So it has recovered some of those losses, just not a lot, but yeah, a decent amount, not that bad. It was actually down around 15%, so the loss is now 12.15. So I'll continue to update you. And thank you very much for watching this video.